Good morning, students. As far as aldehyde and ketone chapter is concerned, we have seen the preparation of aldehydes and ketones. Now, very important reactions of the aldehydes and ketones are nucleophilic addition, reduction, oxidation, and electrophilic substitution reactions. Of which, in the nucleophilic addition reactions, the addition of Grignard reagent on the aldehydes and ketones are very important because whenever Grignard reagent adds to the aldehydes and ketones, there is formation of 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohols, which is also called as primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. Now let us see the addition of Grignard reagent on the aldehydes and ketones. So this is a carbonyl group as it contains aldehydes and ketones. When one alkyl and one hydrogen atom is attached to it, it becomes aldehyde. Or when two alkyl groups attach to it, it becomes ketone. So let us suppose that it is aldehyde or ketone. When Grignard reagent or MgX adds to it in presence of ether, alkyl group adds to carbon, whereas MgX adds to the oxygen. So the corresponding intermediate compounds formed is C R O double bond converts into single bond after addition O MgX. This is the adduct or intermediate compound. So on this, when acid hydrolysis is carried out, then OH group goes to the MgX, whereas hydrogen goes to the oxygen. So there is formation of carbon alkyl group, then OH plus MgXOH. So this alcohol is formed. Our ultimate goal was the addition of Grignard reagent on the carbonyl compound or aldehyde and ketone in presence of ether. Correspondingly, intermediate adduct is formed. When this adduct further undergoes acid hydrolysis, there is formation of alcohol. So this is a general reaction of formation of alcohol or preparation of alcohol from the aldehyde or ketone or carbonyl group by addition of the Grignard reagent. Now let us see what happens to the addition reaction on the formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and acetone. Here we can see that when Grignard reagent adds on the formaldehyde or H double bond O. This is formaldehyde. HCHO is formaldehyde. On this formaldehyde, when CH3 MgBr adds in presence of ether, CH3 adds to this carbon atom, whereas MgBr adds to oxygen, and there is formation of CH3 O MgBr. So this is the adduct. On this adduct, when acid hydrolysis takes place, there is formation of OH group adds to MgBr, whereas hydrogen adds to the oxygen. So there is formation of CH3 CH2 OH plus MgBr OH. So this is ethanol. Ethanol is a 1 degree alcohol or primary alcohol. It is a 1 degree or primary alcohol. Hence, from the formaldehyde, on the addition of Grignard reagent methyl magnesium bromide in presence of ether, there is formation of primary alcohol or 1 degree alcohol. Now let us see what happens on the addition of Grignard reagent on the acetaldehyde. Whenever on Grignard reagent CH3MgBr adds on the acetaldehyde in presence of ether, there is formation of the intermediate or adduct. When this adduct undergoes on the acid hydrolysis, there is formation of this type of the compound. This is called as 2 degree alcohol because it is CH3CHOH CH3. That is also called as isopropyl alcohol or 2 degree alcohol. So in the same way, when Grignard reagent adds on the acetone or ketone, there is formation of a adduct which further undergoes acid hydrolysis. There is formation of 2-propyl 2-degree alcohol or 2-methyl 2-propanol. This is called as 3-degree alcohol. So in this way, from the acetone on the addition of the Grignard reagent in presence of ether, there is formation of 3-degree alcohol. Hence we have seen that whenever Grignard reagent adds on the aldehydes and ketones, on the formaldehyde 1-degree alcohol is formed, on the acetaldehyde 2-degree alcohol is formed, and on the acetone 3-degree alcohol is formed. So which is the best reaction of addition of Grignard reagent on the formaldehyde, acetaldehyde and ketone to prepare 1-degree, 2-degree and 3-degree alcohol. So it is very important reactions as far as examination point of view, because it is asked in many types in the examination, and it is a nucleophilic addition reaction, and it is also a rather easy one also. Only the thing is that you have to practice well by taking different examples of aldehydes and ketones as well as different examples of the Grignard reagent to carry out different types of the 1-degree, 2-degree and 3-degree alcohols. Thank you.